Thought I better record this. This is the water tank on my 2021 bus. It has one bolt left in it, and it's loose, fitting to fall out. This is typical of the 2021 propane bus. Always had to do something to them. This is what you get. You mess with something that's built mass production wise. That'd been nice if that tank fell off going down the road, wouldn't it? Well, this is what I'm going back with. I went ahead and got the hardened bolts. I don't know why, but that's what they had in it. I got a lock nut this time. Real routes is very rough. I got a washer going it too. Real routes are rough. Everything vibrates and jerks, and bolts will fall out if they're not locked really well. I got a feeling their bolt was somewhat shorter, and by the time you put the washer and the lock washer and the nut on it, it probably didn't have a good thread. From the looks of it there, this bar they did have enough room by the time it got through there, so I bought some that's a little longer. Another thing you got to remember, you got to keep an eye on things, especially on the bus that vibrates and gets jarred so hard. We'll put this back together.